All right, so day 2. I'm at the Holiday Inn in Lisbon. The exact Holiday Inn name will be at the bottom of the screen. And breakfast, which is a buffet by the looks of it, is $13.50. My room is here, and the lifts were this way. I feel that they were here. I have not looked around myself, so let's explore. There is a safe. We've got the price list for dry cleaning. That's lovely. There is the bathroom. So, right. I'm not sure there's much in that. Okay, so shower cap. Fine. Okay. Right. It's a bath shower combo. Okay. Interestingly, there's no vent, so this will be interesting to see in the morning after a shower. Okay. There's. Oh, these are so heavy. This one's got an iron and an ironing board. I've got some tea, coffee facilities. Assuming that's the mini bar. I imagine none of it is free. Although interestingly, there's no price list. I'm not sure where the price list would be for that. Okay, so that looks king size to me. So no USB charging there, but it looks like there's 2 USB-A ports here. Yeah. It's a bit tired looking. Furniture definitely is. Don't often see trouser presses anymore in hotels. Got some charging facilities and a small screen television there. So, there is a bar tariff. I just waited almost 20 minutes to check in. I do not trust them to be pronto with anything, but the taxi ride here was about, it was 11 minutes in fact, and it was the whopping total of €6, which is really good. I'm sure there'll be a map on screen shortly with where we are. It's not, I don't believe it's walkable to town from here. It might be, but perhaps something if you're wearing trainers and whatnot. But anyway, Holiday Inn.